Hey, what's up everybody? I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to build your own custom roller skates. I usually wear Vans skate highs. I got wide feet, but I thought blazers look really good as roller skates. So I mocked up a bunch here in Photoshop and then finally settled on just a plain black and white blazer. And these are the parts you'll need. You'll need shoes, skate plates, aluminum insoles, wheels, bearings, and a set of hardware. These are the Radar Energy wheels, 62 millimeters for the street. These are Breeeze ceramic bearings. These are the Bont Tracer roller derby plates. These aluminum insoles came from Etsy, and hardware from the local hardware store. I've got links below for everything. This came out to $347, but with an Apple promo of $75 off, came to $272. So the first step is you want to take out your insoles, measure your shoes inside and out, and the difference will be the thickness of your sole. Measure the thickness of the skate plate and the aluminum insoles, add a 1/4 inch for the nut, and you get a total of about 1.25 inches. You'll want to trace the insole onto your aluminum insoles to get just the right shape. These aluminum insoles were made for Vans skate highs, so a little bit of trimming is necessary. I'm about to cut this with a jigsaw. Make sure that you use the right blades that are for metal and for your jigsaw. And remember to wear eye protection. Very important. There's going to be aluminum shards flying in your face when you cut this. After it's cut, line it up with the other insole and trace that. And cut the other one. After they're cut, sand it, take off any sharp edges so they don't cut the inside of the shoe uppers. Next, find the center line of your shoe at the axles and mark the centers. And you can approximate it, it's okay. Mark the center, and then you'll want to line up the center of the shoe with the center of the skate plate and mark the holes. I didn't end up using the two most forward holes. I couldn't actually get a bolt up that far. It's not easily accessible. Next, we're going to drill through the shoes. Be careful not to drill through the uppers. Here I'm putting in the aluminum insole and I'm using a punch to transfer the hole to the aluminum. And it's going to leave a small dent on the aluminum insole. Alternatively, you can put the insoles inside the shoe when you're drilling, and that'll also leave a mark. So here I'm using a wood and metal drill bit to drill through the insoles. Again, remember to wear eye protection. I'm just double checking the holes with the skate plate, and now I'm marking and transferring to the other insole. I'm countersinking the holes here. Countersinking is super important because you want the heads of your hardware to sit flush in the insole. If you don't countersink the hole, then the head of the hardware is going to pop up and you're going to feel it in the bottom of your feet. See? No good. Countersinking, thumbs up. Now push all the hardware through, the aluminum insoles, bolt everything together. You might get a few bolts that run long. You're going to need to get a Dremel and a cutoff wheel to cut off the ends of the hardware. If you don't have one, borrow one or carefully use a hacksaw. Remember to wear eye protection. Shards of metal flying. I'm going to press these bearings into my wheels. There is such a thing as a bearing press, but I've been fine my whole life just using my hands. Buttery. There they are. All done. I'm going to go out for my first skate since middle school probably. And I'm in my 40s, so it's been a long time. Whoa, almost just ate it right there. Yeah, the skates are smooth. Shoes are comfortable. I did end up losing a little bit of room in the toes. I couldn't put the soft insole back into the shoes as I hoped I would, so I'm standing straight onto the aluminum, but it's not a big deal. I might lay in a thin piece of canvas, but for now, it works. If you guys have any questions, comments, or suggestions on how to improve this DIY how-to, leave a comment. Until then, good luck on your project, and maybe I'll see you at the airport park. Peace. I'm just gonna let this music ride out here. Skates are fresh.